Guys, this is Carrie with Glitzy Glam, and I'm going to show you an idea I have for making a really great vanilla coffee. Now, if you're making a iced coffee, this is what I use for my iced coffee. I fill it up with coffee, and then I sweeten it with 7 Truvia to make it sugar-free, 7 Truvia, and then I add 1 Splenda just because I think adding 2 extra Truvia, I'm a little weird that way. It's just it gets sweeter faster with a package of Splenda. So that's just how I make mine over ice. And then to make it really great, and you can use any vanilla protein drink you want. I just happen to have this one at the moment, and I really do like the Quest vanilla protein shakes, and it's sugar free. And that is how I mix that with my prepared coffee over ice, and it makes a really great vanilla iced coffee. Now for the hot version of that, this is my hot version, and I fill it up with coffee. And for that one, I just use the 3 Truvias and 1 Splenda. You can use 5 Truvia if you want instead of that combination. All right, and then I add some heavy whipping cream. Okay, now what really makes it that great extra vanilla coffee flavor is this. I use this, but you can use a baby food jar. I just use this. I put in a package of Splenda because I like it really, really sweet. Okay. And then you can add an ice cube. I add the heavy whipping cream. Heavy whipping cream. Now you can add 2 packages of Splenda as well if you want it extra sweet. Now I do measure some vanilla. I do measure it into the cap first just because I don't want to put too much in this. So I put it in the cap first, and then I pour it into the mixture. And just for fun, since I did add a lot of heavy cream to that little container, I'm going to add, you want to add this to your taste. How sweet do you like it? Once you start making it, you'll kind of know how sweet you want it. And it is, it's sugar-free, so you make it the way you want it. Then here is the cool trick to all of this. Whether it be in a baby food jar or a container like this, you want to shake it up real good. You shake it up, and sometimes a little ice cube just makes it even better because it stays cold while you're shaking it. And you're just going to shake it until it's nice and frothy. And of course, all that Splenda or Truvia melts into the vanilla and cream, and then there you go. You add it to the top of your coffee, and it's super yummy. and sugar-free. Go make you some right now, especially if you really, really love coffee. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. And if you're a coffee lover, you really will enjoy this. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great ideas. And say a little prayer for me. Someone has taken my Facebook profile page, and made it their own. They're not even using my face or anything. They just took my picture off and stole my profile page on Facebook, and my husband is trying to get it back. So I won't be posting this on Facebook until I get that page fixed. So, but stay tuned for my videos, and I'll see you in the next video.